Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This week I'll be showing you how to make flower crowns. I'm super excited for this video because I absolutely love flower crowns. I think they're so pretty and romantic, and I think they're great to wear for festivals or weddings or events like that. Really quick, before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you like beauty, fashion, travel, and DIY projects, please give my channel a subscribe. I post videos every week to a week and a half, and I'd absolutely love to have you join my little YouTube family. Also, if you have any video suggestions, feel free to message me or leave them in the comments below. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so you're going to need ribbon, floral tape, a hot glue gun, needle nose pliers, a very sharp pair of scissors or wire cutters, floral wire, and an assortment of flowers. I used artificial flowers, but if you want, you can absolutely use real flowers. Quick tip, you of course can use whatever kind of flowers you would like, but I would suggest grabbing some that are different sizes and shapes, but all within the same color scheme. First, you're going to take 2 pieces of floral wire and bend them so they match the shape of your head. You're then going to cross the wires until they form a crown that's the size of your head. Once you've done that, you're going to hot glue one of the crossed sections. When your first layer of glue is dry, you're going to flip the crown over and glue the other side. You should have this nice little hot glue bead. You're then going to take the ends of the cross section you just glued and bend them down like so. Next, cut off any excess wire. Then use floral tape to secure the 2 sections together. Now, cut the excess wire off the ends of your crown, but make sure to leave 2 extra inches on each side. You're going to take your needle nose pliers and make a little loop on each end of the crown. Then wrap some floral tape around both loops to make sure that there's no sharp edges. And now we can do the fun part. You're going to take your flowers and make tiny bouquets, making sure that they have an inch or 2 of stem. To secure the bouquets, you can use floral tape or a combination of floral tape and hot glue. Another tip, you of course can make your bouquets however you'd like, but I find that they look really nice if you take one larger piece and frame it with small or medium pieces. Once you think you have enough bouquets, you're going to lay your flower crown out using the bouquets and any extra flowers you have. I think it looks really nice if you keep the smaller pieces towards the back and the larger ones towards the front, but you can do whatever you'd like. Once you're happy with the layout of the crown, you're going to use floral tape and hot glue to secure everything to the wire. All you have to do now is add some ribbon to the end and you're done! I hope you enjoyed making this with me, and if you want to show me your creations, feel free to tag me on Instagram. I'd absolutely love to see them. My Instagram is zrawbeauty. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me or just leave them in the comments below. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting every week to a week and a half. Bye!